get them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, get them up. Yeah. Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel guys. So this video is all about the wheel speed sensor. So let me tell you all what happened, but first make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let's get into the video, man. Okay guys, so what really happened is when I was like putting on the coilovers, oh shit. So when I was putting on the coilovers, I kind of pull on the spindle a little bit too hard, and it was like pulling the passenger side front wheel speed sensor. So I've been getting this code right here for the chassis stabilization, and I'm gonna show y'all how to like fix it, because all of these codes came up in the dash with the ABS light, brake light and all of that. So I'm gonna show y'all how to fix it. So let's get into it, man. But make sure y'all get a new one from AutoZone or order one online or something, or from a local dealership. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Okay guys, so when y'all get y'all new wheel speed sensor, and I've been getting the code for this side because I was dragging it too much to put in the coilovers. It was like only me alone was putting in the coilover, so I've been dragging on it too much. So I guess I fucked up the ABS sensor, so I'm gonna show y'all how to change it. But first, make sure y'all go ahead and jack up the car. I got a jack stand right there and a jack. So when y'all do that, take off the wheel. I'm gonna rest this right here for a quick. It's kind of windy. But yeah, when y'all take off the wheel, and these are the coilovers I went with. So if you look right here, this is gonna be the ABS line. So it runs all the way to this box, and on the driver's side you got two wires going to the same box on that side. But all you got to do is just follow this wire, the ABS wire, go all the way back to right there. So I think this is the wire right here, and I think it's gonna be T30. I think that's gonna be a T30. I got the socket set right there. So y'all just get a flat point screwdriver or something, or a pry tool, and just pull the little door right here. I'm gonna see if I could pull it with my hand. Yeah, so y'all gonna pull it and it's gonna look like this. So just take y'all time, take it out, and then disconnect it from right here. But I'm using one hand right now, so I'm gonna have to, let me see if I could pull it like this, but I don't really want to mess up the connection. But let's see. Okay, so y'all press on this, press it, and then push it out. As y'all could see, it's right there. Make sure y'all don't mess it up, and pull this one from right here, because we're gonna change it. Probably gonna be a little bit hard to like pull out from this side, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'm gonna pull this one from this side, from right here. It's on this one like that, and let me see something. But let me pull this one real quick, and then I'm gonna pick up back the camera. Okay guys, this one is kind of really hard on there, so you're gonna have to pull it with force. So I pull that, roll it all the way around here, like this. So what we're gonna have to pull now is the T30 right there that goes to the back of the spindle right there of the wheel up right there. I'm trying to let you guys see it, but it's basically right there. Okay guys, so the old one is out right now. This is the old one, so time to put in the new one. So I'm gonna take it out the box real quick. Here you go right there. Okay guys, so time to put in the new one. So here's it. So same like how you take out the old one, that's what you're gonna put in the new one. But I'm gonna put it up real quick and then I'm gonna go back to the camera. Okay guys, so when y'all put it back, it should look like this. Everything should sit flush, and make sure y'all tighten it, but don't tighten it too much. That's it right there. Got it hanging down right here. Okay guys, so the new one is in right now. As y'all could see right there, make sure y'all route it back at the same OEM spot. So I already put this part already. So I'm gonna put this part right here. So whenever the wheel turn, it won't catch the sensor. So I'm gonna put this back right here and then put the other one right here. Then I'm gonna route it this side and go up. So whenever I'm done doing that, I'm gonna show y'all. Okay guys, so this is what I'm talking about. Everything is routed like OEM, and we're gonna connect this piece right now to this, and then we're gonna put it back in the box, and then we're gonna put on back the wheel, and then just go for a test drive and see if the lights fixed. Okay guys, so you guys could see it from right here. Everything is in the box and everything is buttoned up. Put on back the wheel. So time to take it off the jack and the jack stand, and let's go test it. All right guys, so time to test it right now. We got everything buttoned up already, so let's start it, and then I'm gonna clear the codes real quick, and then I'm gonna start it. Or I'm gonna start it first, then clear the code, and then see if it will pop up. All right guys, so let's start it. It's kind of windy outside too, but damn, all of it gone. No codes in the dash, no lights, no ABS light, no none of that. So that's how y'all fix the problem for the wheel speed sensor. So yeah man, so make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.